That's it. And then if you hit that button, well, let's turn around.
Yeah. The button right here?
No, on the other side.
This button?
Hit that with your palm. Boom.
Okay. Wow, that's fast. I think it's pretty close.
Yeah, I think so.
You see that?
Yeah, oh yeah.
That's not bad.
Whew. Hey, you're knocking them down.
I got him hitting everything I aimed at.
Yeah. Whew. See if you can hit that gopher on the hill. Or the squirrel. Oh, yeah, there he goes.
Damn.
You're right on. There's like one crow left, I think.
I know I hit that. I saw it move.
Yep, oh yeah. The last 2 times. See if you can hit the green ball. You broke the chain.
Dang.
Yeah, you're hitting it. It's just blowing right through that one. Yeah, I think you're empty.
Damn, I need one of those.
They're fun. The thing, let's walk down and look at our targets again.
I was kicking ass.
Big time, make me look bad.
Well, I was a lot closer.
Still.
I hit everything I could see.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I couldn't see this one over there. Look at this rabbit I knocked all the way over here. I'm guessing that's the hit, but maybe not. Yeah, I'd say that's
Yeah, because
right
there's
there.
ones in all of these ones that look the same. We're probably a little close for those, but
Oh yeah, but old eyes.
look at what you did to the chain over here. Ugh.
Yeah, it doesn't go all the way through, but almost.
Look at this one.
Damn. So much for the chain. I was aiming for that. I was aiming for that chain.
I mean, it broke the chain, and also that's probably from the force of it swinging around.
Oh yeah, I broke the lock, the clip.
Yeah, but also a link is broken because here is another broken one here.
I was aiming for the chain. Anybody could hit the ball.
Yeah.
I don't think I hit the ball.
I don't think so. Let's see if we can hang this off the ear.
Because I was aiming at the chain.
That's the only logical explanation. I'm gonna walk back and get a couple of those water jugs.